Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Rockstar Games Launcher stock offline? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and search for Rockstar Games right over here and right click on it and click on open file location. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on open file location one more time, and as you can see, it's going to launch or get you right over here. Now all you need to do is on the launcher itself, you want to right click on properties, and on this settings right over here, as you can see, all you need to do is go to compatibility settings and then tick mark run this program as administrator always, and simply click on apply. Go to security and go to edit and then give it full control as well on all systems that you're using. So simply go ahead and allow full control and click on OK. Now when you do that, it's most likely to go ahead and solve your problem. However, if it's still not solving your problem, what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into a command prompt and run it as administrator and click on yes. Now simply write netsh space winsock space reset, just like that. And once you've done that, you're going to have to restart your computer, and then your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.